Welcome back to the Theory Corner by TeachMusic.Academy. In this episode, we're going to learn how to read note values. Here's a question for you. What do you see when you look at a musical score? If your answer was a bunch of dots and lines that do not make any sense, then you are in the correct place. When reading notes, look carefully to their color and shape. This can tell you a lot about a musical symbol. Now here are the notes parts. The note head. Sometimes this is white, but in this case, it is black. At the side of the note head, which some notes don't have, is the stem. And then at the end of the stem is the flag. Now note, some notes also don't have this part. Depending on their shape and color, each note has a value in terms of its duration. Here are some notes and their value. Please make a note that when we talk about value, we measure those in relation to the number of beats they last. So at the top is a whole note. This lasts for 4 beats. Below the whole note is a half note, which lasts for 2 beats. And at the bottom is a quarter note, which lasts for 1 beat. Notes can be even shorter. The shorter the note, the higher number of flags attached to the stem. At top now, we have an 8th note, which lasts half a beat. And below that 8th note is a 16th note, which lasts for a quarter of a beat. Now that was a lot of information to take in. So take a look at this table. You will find the symbol's name and their equivalents. Here's a fun tip. When more than 1/8 or 16th notes are put together, they can be grouped by a beam. Now that you know the notes and their value, you can make as many combinations as you want. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the Theory Corner. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and if you learned something new, leave a comment and tell us what you learned. Make sure to follow us on all our social media for news updates and more. And if you want to teach people how to love music as much as we do, make sure to head over to our website, TeachMusic.Academy. And we will see you in the next episode of the Theory Corner.